Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing Hi everyone, in this video I'll be solving IGCSE ICT paper 2 for the year October-November 2019. First we have to prepare the evidence document. So let's open the folder where I have copied the files. Open the evidence document. Make sure your name, sender number, candidate number will appear on every page, and save this as N19 evidence followed by your candidate number. So insert the header. Write your name, candidate number and sender number. Save the file as a Word document followed by your candidate number. Next task is the Word document. Open N19 reading.rtf. The page is set up to A4 portrait and 2 cm margins. Do not make any changes. Save the document in your work area in the format of the software with the file name ebooks. So let's save this. File save as. You can save this as ebooks as a Word document. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. So this is the file which we have saved now. Take a screenshot. This is evidence 1. Next, place in the header automated page numbers left aligned and date right aligned. So in the header, insert header. Here automated page number. So click on page number and choose current position. Select the page number. There is nothing in the middle, and in the right side we have to insert the date. Place your name, sender number and candidate number right aligned in the footer. So insert footer. On the right side, write your name, candidate number and sender number. Make sure all alignments are matching and no other text and placeholders are shown. So we have set it accordingly. The alignments are matching and disappearing on every page. Create and store the following styles, basing each on the default paragraph style, DB subtitle. So let's create the style. Create a style. Click here, create a style. First style is DB subtitle. After giving the name, click on modify and make sure the style is based on normal, which is the paragraph style. Now it is sans serif 16, right italic, sans serif. So let's give Arial. The size is 16, right aligned, italic, single and spacing is 0 and 0. So go to format, paragraph, Single line spacing, before and after it is 0. Give OK. Next style, let us create the next style. It is DB subhead, serif 14 center. DB subhead, make sure it is based on normal, serif, so Times New Roman, 14, center aligned, bold, all capitals, bold. For making it capital, go to format, font, all caps. Single line spacing, before 0, after 6. Go to paragraph, single line spacing, before is 0, after must be 6 points. Give OK. Next style, DB body, it is sans serif. Make sure the style is normal, sans serif, that is Arial. The size is 10, justified, single, 0 and 6. Justified, go to format, paragraph, alignment, justified. It is single, 0 and 6. Give OK. Now next style, DB table. The style is based on normal or the paragraph. It is serif 11, left, italic. Serif 11, left, italic, single, 0, 0. So go to the paragraph, the single, 0 and 0. Give OK. So all the styles are created. Take a screenshot to show the style settings that have been defined for DB subhead style. Make sure there is evidence that this is based on the default paragraph style. Place this in your evidence document. So for DB subhead, right click, go to modify. This is the evidence for paragraph style and all the styles are shown here. So let's take the screenshot. That is your evidence 2. Give OK, then go to the evidence document. This is your evidence 2. Next one, the style name DB title has already been created, stored and applied. Modify the DB title style so only the following format is applied. So we have the DB title here. So we have to modify, right click, modify. Sans serif 32 center. Sans serif. The size is 32. Type 32, press enter. Center, bold, underline. Center, bold and underline. Italic is not needed. Single, 06. Go to format, paragraph. The line spacing is single. Before must be 0 and after must be 6. Give OK. Now OK. Take a screenshot for the settings of DB title. So right click, modify, Let us take the screenshot for DB title, that is evidence 3. Display these custom style names as a list in Style Manager. Provide screenshot evidence of this list. So in order to get the Style Manager, you can see here styles. Click on this arrow. You will get the Style Manager. This is the Style Manager. Make sure all the styles are visible here. Select this one. This is your evidence 4. Below the title, add the subtitle, report by, and add your name. So this is the title. It should be DB title style. Below this we have to add report by, add your name, apply the DB subtitle style to this text. Select this DB subtitle. Apply the DB body style to the rest of the document. So rest of the document from here till the end, we have to apply DB body style. Change the page layout so that subheading history of digital books and all the following text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 1 centimeter space. So this is the required heading, history of digital books. It should be formatted as 2 columns. So go to the layout, columns, more columns, select 2, and the spacing must be 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. It's already of equal width. Okay. Apply square shape bullet to the list from dedicated to notepad. This is the required list. So select the list. On home tab you can see the bulleted list here. You have to apply a square bullet. Make sure the bullets are indented 1 centimeter from the left margin. It is single line spacing with no space before and after. So right click, adjust list indent. It should be indented by 1 centimeter. Select 1 centimeter here, bullet position, give OK. Then go to paragraph. Line spacing must be single with no spaces before or after. So give 0 here, give OK. There is a 6-point space after the last item in the list. Select the last item and the preceding paragraph. Right click, go to paragraph, give the space after as 6 point. Identify the 7 subheadings in the document and apply DB subhead style. So these are the subheadings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are the 7 subheadings. It should be given the subhead style. Open the file 19 reader and insert the contents as a table. So 19 reader, the contents, so let's copy this. It should be inserted as a table after the text devices over the years. So let's find the place. You can click on find. Just type one or two sentences over the, one or two words from that. So this is the place where we have to paste it. So paste the table. Delete the entire row and contents for Maxi Reader. This is Maxi Reader. So we have to delete the entire row. Select the row, right click, delete cells, delete entire row. Sort the data in the table into ascending order of year. In order to sort the data, select the table. Select the data in these 3 columns. Then click on layout. We have sort option here. Sort. We have a header here, reader, company, year. So give header row. Now it should be sorted by year. So select year and it should be sorted in ascending order. So it is ascending here. Give OK. So now it is sorted. Insert a new row in the correct position according to the sort order. That means it is 2007. So it should be after 2006. So click in this row, right click, insert rows below. Now let's add the text. Apply the DB table style to the table. So select the table, Home tab, DB, table style. Next, make sure no text is wrapped within the table. All grid lines are displayed. The borders and all data fit within the column. There is a 6-point space after the table. First, let's show the border. So select this. The borders should be shown here. All borders. Right click. Auto fit to contents. So that now everything is fit and no lines are wrapped here. There is a 6-point space after the table. So let's check after the table. Select this part, right click, format the paragraph. You can see there is already a 6-point after the table. Next, format the first row of the table to be bold and center aligned over the 3 columns. So this must be bold and center aligned over the first 3 columns. So let us merge this and center aligned. Shaded with a light gray background, 20 to 40%. So select the shading. You can choose a gray which is between 20 to 40%. This is 25, so you can choose this. Next, import the image, 19 image and place this below the subheading future. So this is the subheading, the future. So click here, let us insert the image. This is the image. Insert. Reflect the image so that e-reader is on the right side. It must look like this. So let's reflect the image. Select the image. You can see, rotate here. We have to flip it horizontal so that it is reflected. Format the image so that it is resized to a width of 3 centimeters with aspect ratio maintained. It is aligned to the left margin of the second column and the top of the paragraph, and the text wraps around the image. 3 centimeter wide. So right click, size and position. Make sure the aspect ratio is locked, and then the width must be changed to 3 centimeter. Give OK, and we have to make sure the text wraps around the image. So select the image, wrap text, choose square. So now the text is wrapping around the image and it's on the left margin along with the paragraph. Spell check and proofread the document. Make sure list and tables are not split. There are no widows, orphans, there are no blank pages, and all these styles are met. So let's go through the, first let us check the spelling mistakes. Go to review, spelling and grammar. Only we need to change the spelling mistakes. Names and all can be ignored. All these are names, so just give ignore. So everything is done now. Next we need to check whether the tables or lists are not split. You can see this is one table and the list is also not split. So the document is intact and complete. Next one, you can see many bookstores sells books online through the internet. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages to customers of buying books through internet shopping. So that is evidence 5. So advantages you can give. Cost and time can be saved. Can search for a wide variety of products. Can compare the price. And the disadvantages. Shopping fraud websites might be there. Or hackers may intercept payment details. So this is the end of the task 2. You can find the link for the rest of the tasks in the description.